All set. Rob.
Yeah, Rob. Thanks.
Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Consensus by CoinDesk in Austin, Texas. So much fun to be back on the ground. I'm all excited. I can't even remember what I'm talking about here. Joining us, we have Rob Viglione. He's the CEO of Horizen. We're going to talk about the role of privacy blockchains in the digital asset ecosystem space. Rob, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Jill, thanks for having me.
What are the key attractions of blockchain?
I mean, really, so it's Web3, decentralization, ownership, and part of this, and really what we focus on is interoperability and compatibility across the industry. We don't want single-walled gardens, we want everything to be connected with everything else.
Blockchain technology overall is going to be of great value in the not-so-distant future. Implementing certain blockchain technologies has been a challenge overall. I think it comes back to interoperability.
It does. I really do. So everyone has been kind of, in the early days, just going in particular directions. Initially with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's not very smart contract friendly, right? So then Ethereum came along, and then a variety of other people challenged in different technology areas. Now we need to bring them all together. Now certain standards have evolved in the industry, like the Ethereum standard is now really an actual standard, like TCP/IP, but for blockchain, Ethereum, Solidity, smart contracting. So now having compatibility with that type of environment and standard and linking different chains together, I think is the future.
So tell me where Horizen sits in the ecosystem.
Yeah, so we're an interoperability play, really. So we focus on a particular type of cryptography called zero-knowledge proofs that we use for connectivity between chains. We're all about like a zero-knowledge enabled blockchain of blockchains ecosystem.
Let's talk about metaverse. It's such a key concept these days. It's the potential to succeed the internet. If the metaverse does become a reality, it's critical that we find a way to prevent abuses with data. How can Horizen make that happen?
So our bread and butter is privacy technology. So we're really big into cryptography. A type of cryptography, again, zero-knowledge proofs, allows you to publish information to a public ledger, but in a privacy-preserving way and still use that information. So we believe, and why we invest heavily in this type of technology, is that if blockchain will go mainstream, you're going to have a proliferation of data broadcast to a public ledger. You need strong privacy. So that's really where we focus. It'll have big implications in metaverse as well.
All right, Rob, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. All right, we are
cool.